We are all about adventure, and we seek it everywhere. Not just in faraway places, but also around the corner. On the way back from the office, in shops with illegible signs, on menus whose language we can't read. Our kind of adventure is born out of passion and curiosity, and it only requires one thing: that you're open to it. That's why everything we do is to prepare you for adventure. We want you to be ready to be inspired, charmed, and intrigued, confident, without worries or fears. Because in the end, every day is either a grand adventure or nothing at all.